Hello students, welcome back to the mathematics class. In the previous video, we have discussed some problems on Jacobians. Here also, we will discuss some more problems on Jacobians. In the previous video, we have discussed the problems on the two functions. Here we are discussing about the three functions. That is, if u equal to x plus y plus z and v equal to x square plus y square plus z square and w equal to xy plus yz plus zx. Here u, v, w are the three functions and x, y, z are the independent variables. Now we have to find the Jacobian for these three functions, that is u, v, w. U with respect to x, u with respect to y, u with respect to z, and v with respect to x, v with respect to y, and v with respect to z, and also w with respect to x and w with respect to y and w with respect to z. Next solution. They have given that, given here u equal to x plus y plus z, v equal to x square plus y square plus z square, and w equal to xy plus yz plus zx. Here next, to find dou of u comma v comma w and dou of u comma v comma w divided by dou of x comma y comma z, we have to differentiate partially with respect to x, y, z. Differentiate partially with respect to x, comma y and z. That is, we will take the first function, that is u. If we differentiate this with respect to x, that is dou u by dou x. Dou u by dou x, this will be 1. If we differentiate this function with respect to x, this will be dou v by dou x. This is 2x and this will be the constant term, that is 0. This is 2x. Next is the w with respect to x, that is dou w by dou x, which is equal to, here with respect to x, so remaining term is y, this is the constant term, then is 0, plus here it is z with respect to x, so it is the y plus z. Next, we have to differentiate partially with respect to y, that is dou u by dou y equal to dou u by dou y. With respect to y means this x and z will be constant, then this will be 1. Next, dou v by dou y, which is equal to, here x and z are constant, with respect to y means it will be 2y. Next, dou w by dou y, this is with respect to y means here the remaining term is x, with respect to y means here the remaining term is z, and this will be the 0. This is about x and y. Next, we have to differentiate partially with respect to z, that is dou u by dou z. Dou u by dou z means here now x and y are constant, then z is the value is 1. Next, dou v by dou z, which is equal to 2z, and dou w by dou z is nothing but with respect to z, so it is y plus x. Now we will write in the determinant form, that is Jacobian dou of u comma v comma w divided by dou of x comma y comma z. We can write this in the determinant form as dou u by dou x, u with respect to x, u with respect to y, and u with respect to z. That is dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, and dou u by dou z. Next, v with respect to x, v with respect to y, and v with respect to z. That is dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y, and dou v by dou z. Next is the w function, dou w by dou x, dou w by dou y, and dou w by dou z. This is how we can write in the determinant form. Next, we have to substitute the values of dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou z, and so on. That is, first is the dou u by dou x. Dou u by dou x value is here. Dou u by dou x value is 1. Dou u by dou y value is 1, and dou u by dou z value is 1. Next, here dou v by dou x value is 2x. Next, this value is 2y, and dou v by dou z is 2z. And next, dou w by dou x, that is y plus z, and dou w by dou y is x plus z, and lastly dou w by dou z is y plus x, y plus x. This is about the determinant values. Now we have to solve the determinant. Here 1 into, how to solve the determinant? By keeping 1 into the bracket, we will multiply y plus x with 2y and minus of x plus 2 with 2z. That is y plus x into 2y, that is 2y into y plus x, 2y into y plus x, minus of x plus z into 2z, that is 2z into x plus z, that is 2z into minus of 2z into x plus z. Next, the middle term, if you are taking middle term, then it is a minus 1 of, we have to leave this row and this column. The remaining terms are y plus x into 2x, that is 2x into y plus x minus y plus z into 2z, that is 2z into y plus z, 2z into y plus z, plus the final term, that is 1. Here we have to leave this row and this column. We have to multiply this 2x into x plus z minus of 2y into y plus z, y plus z. Next we will solve this, that is which is equal to 2y into y bracket 2y into y, that is 2y square plus 2xy minus 2xz, 2z into x, that is 2xz, minus 2z into z will be minus 2z square. Next, into minus 1 of 2x into y is 2xy plus 2x into x is 2x square minus 2yz minus 2yz, minus into plus minus 2z square plus 1. 2x into x is 2x square plus 2xz minus of 2y into y is 2y square. Next minus into plus is minus 2yz. That is 2y square plus 2xy minus 2xz minus 2z square. Minus into 2xy is minus 2xy minus 2x square minus 2x square plus 2yz, minus 2xy minus 2x square plus 2yz plus minus into minus plus, that is 2z square. Next plus 2x square plus 2xz minus 2y square minus 2yz. Here now this plus 2x plus 2y square and minus 2y square get cancelled. Plus 2xy and plus 2xy and minus 2xy get cancelled. Minus 2xz and plus 2xz get cancelled. Minus 2z square and plus 2z square get cancelled. Minus 2x square plus 2x square get cancelled. Plus 2yz and minus 2yz get cancelled. Here the value of the Jacobian is 0. That is, therefore dou of u comma v comma w divided by dou of x comma y comma z, which is equal to 0. This is the value of the Jacobians for the three functions. Next we will solve. Here the next value question is, that is, if u equal to xyz, v equal to x cube minus y cube plus z square, and w equal to x square plus yz. We have to find here Jacobian for three functions, that is u comma v comma w, and for with respect to the independent variables x comma y comma z. Here what they are given? Given u equal to xyz, v equal to x cube minus y cube plus z square, and w equal to x square plus yz. These are the three functions with respect to the three independent variables. Now we have to differentiate partially with respect to x, y, z. Differentiate partially with respect to x comma y and z. Now if we differentiate partially this with respect to x, then it will be dou u by dou x, which is equal to yz. Next dou v by dou x, which is equal to this with respect to x, means that is 3x square, and the remaining are the constant term, that is 0. Next dou w by dou x, which is equal to, that is 2x, because we are differentiating with respect to x. Next differentiate with respect to y, that is dou u by dou y. Dou u by dou y means if we differentiate this with respect to y, that is remaining terms are x and z. Next dou v by dou y. Dou v by dou y means it will be minus 3y square. Next dou w by dou y, this will be, this is the constant term and z is the constant term. With respect to y means it will be z. Next we will differentiate with respect to z, that is dou u by dou z. Dou u by dou z means here we are differentiating with respect to z, the remaining terms are xy. Dou v by dou z, which is equal to dou v by dou z, means it is with respect to z, that is 2z. With respect to z, that is 2z and dou w by dou z. Dou w by dou z is that is with respect to z, the remaining term is y. Now we have to write in the Jacobian form, that is dou of u comma v comma w divided by dou of x comma y comma z, which is equal to dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y and dou u by dou z. Next is the dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y and dou v by dou z, and next is the dou w by dou x, dou w by dou y and dou w by dou z. Now we have to substitute the values of dou u by dou x, dou v by dou x and dou w by dou x. That is dou u by dou x is yz, xz and xy. Next these values 3x square minus 3y square and dou v by dou z, that is 2z. Dou v by dou z, nothing but that is a 2z. Next dou w by dou z, dou w by dou x, that is 2x, dou w by dou y, that is z, and dou w by dou z, that is y. Dou w by dou z, that is y. Now we have to solve this determinant yz into the first term yz. We have to eliminate this row and this column. We have to multiply this. First this, that is minus 3 into y cube. Y into minus 3y square is minus 3y cube. Y into minus 3y square is minus 3y cube minus 2z square minus 2z square. Next the middle term, that is xz minus xz. We have to leave this row and this column. Remaining terms are 3x square y minus 2x into, we have to leave this row and this column. Next to multiply first this and next 2x into 2z, that is 4xz, that is 4xz. Next lastly the plus xy. Here we have to leave this row and this column. We have to multiply this, that is 3x square z, minus into minus plus, that is 6xy square. And next we'll solve, that is yz into minus 3y cube, that is minus 3y raised to 4z minus 2y z cube. Next is minus xz into 3x square y, that is minus 3x cube yz minus into minus plus, that is 4x square z square plus xy into 3x square z, that is 3 into x cube yz plus 6 into 6x square y cube. Now This is the value. Next we can here minus 3 x cube yz and plus 3 x cube yz is same, so we can cancel this. Then the remaining terms are 4 x square z square, 4 x square z square, next plus 6 x square y cube minus remaining term is minus 3 y raised to 4 z minus 2 y z cube. This is the value for the Jacobian, that is therefore dou of u comma v comma w divided by dou of x comma y comma z, which is equal to 4x square z square plus 6x square y cube minus 3y raised to 4z minus 2y z cube. This is the value of the Jacobian. This is about the two problems. In the next video we will continue with some more problems. So thank you.